Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Asanoka Solution. We are going to discuss about the Flexi Hub. What is Flexi Hub and how does it work, and what do you mean by Flexi Hub? Flexi Hub is a virtual USB cable, and it's help you to share any USB port from your PC to others PC. So there are many customer thinking that Flexi Hub doing every work. No, Flexi Hub is a virtual USB cable. You can see here it's a USB cable. If you connect your phone this USB cable via this USB cable, if you connect your phone on this PC, so it will be connected in PC. And when you have no have a iPhone 5s SE on my hand, and I will connect this phone on my PC. You can see here this phone is connected on this PC. You can totally you can see, I hope you can see this phone is connected on my PC, and you can see here the phone is connected, and phone IMEI and every data you can see here. You can see here the iPhone IMEI and serial number, everything. If you want to see, I can show it closely, so you can read the phone and phone serial number and IMEI also. You can see here the IMEI and serial number properly. I hope you can see. Now we will share this phone on another PC by Flexi Hub. How can we share it? Now I will open a Flexi Hub. You can see I have Flexi Hub on my PC. It is the Flexi Hub software, and Flexi Hub open, and I will log in Flexi Hub with my token. It's my token. Copy and paste here. And every user can his PC name on the top place. You can see here the AS Unlocker, my PC name, and you also can see your PC name in here. First PC name is your every PC show his PC name on the first place, and my PC name is on the top place, AS Unlocker. And you can see here is iPhone is connected. That phone is connected on my PC. You can see here also. And how can we share this port on another PC? And you can see here I have on Mac in here, and there is no phone connected. You can see here is no port, here also no port, here only one port of charger. And I will connect the phone on another on this Mac via Flexi Hub. I have Flexi Hub also on this PC, and same token. You can see here the token. This token and here login token is same. You can see same token here also, and this Mac token also same. You have to use same token for both PC. Flexi Hub, I will open Flexi Hub. It is the Flexi Hub software. Flexi Hub only help you to share your USB port, nothing else. There are many customers call us to for Flexi Hub. They think that Flexi Hub will do every work that we are doing by a Flexi Hub. If he log in Flexi Hub and connect phone, and every job will be done here. There are many customer thinking. And you can see here the also my PC name, my MacBook name is reseller here. It is the top place here. Every PC name you can see on his top place as Unlocker PC. Here also you can see, and my PC name is as Unlocker. Here you can see as Unlocker. If I locked here, you cannot see here the phone. You can see I have locked this port, so you cannot see here. We have to unlock the port. Now we can see here the port. If we connect here, click on the connect. You can see here is connected to reseller. You can see here phone is connected here, and I will show you the same phone serial and IMEI. Here you can see phone S and IMEI also. You can see here the that already you have seen on this PC. I hope you can see the same IMEI number, and here is no phone is connected on this Mac. You can see no port inside and other side. This port is here. You can see phone is connected on my laptop, Windows laptop, and this phone is connected via Flexi Hub on the Mac. This Flexi Hub help us to share a USB port. You can see here the phone is connected to reseller. You can see here connected to my computer. I can see here, and you can see here the phone IMEI and serial everything. Hi. I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can understand what is the Flexi Hub and how does it work, and why we are using Flexi Hub. Just we are using Flexi Hub to share USB port to work while you need to bypass your phone or unlock your phone and you have no this software or this service, then we are connect your phone on our PC or Mac by this Flexi Hub software. Thanks for watching my video, and stay with AS Unlocker Solution and AS Unlocker. Use asunlocker.com to unlock any phone. Thanks for watching my video again.